Hello guys! So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you what is on my MacBook Air. I think I have the 2015 model, but like honestly, I don't know what model this could be. It could be like 2013, 2016 maybe, but I just don't know what year it is. So sorry for that information, but it's a MacBook Air. Okay, I'm going to get into what is on my MacBook Air. If you enjoy this, you should subscribe because I'm trying to get to 20,000 subscribers by the end of 2018. So that would mean the world to me if you would subscribe and help me get there. Okay, now I will get on to the video. So on my home screen desktopy thing, the only app that I have on it is Omi Disk Swiper, and this is actually a really good app to get if you take up a lot of storage, because I have this problem all the time where I use up my storage. It's really helpful for deleting things, especially deleting things on like iMovie. It's really good. So now I'm gonna go into my other apps, which are on my launch pad. I have a bunch of apps, all the ones that it came with. I don't know how to delete them, so tell me if you can delete things like map and like mail and the dictionary and stuff like that, because I don't use them. The only ones I actually use are iMessage, I use Photos, I use iMovie, I use Safari. That's pretty much it. Or I use Pages to do my essays for school. And so then the ones that I downloaded Google Chrome, because sometimes Safari like glitches on me. So when it does, then I go to Google Chrome, and if that glitches on me, I go to Safari. It's like better to have two browsers. It also works better with like Blackboard, which is a thing where I have to like submit assignments on. It just like works better on Google Chrome for some reason. I don't know. I like using Google Chrome better actually sometimes. I don't know. So then the other apps that I have are ones that I need for school, because my major is graphic design. So these are ones that I need for my classes. So I have InDesign, Lightroom. I don't actually need Lightroom. I got that the other day. I haven't used it yet because I got it like a few days ago. So I haven't used it. Okay. And I have Adobe Animate, Illustrator, Photoshop, and I have no idea what this thing is over there. I don't know what that is. Yeah, so I bought Adobe Cloud, so that's why I can download all those things. I guess I'll go through the stuff on my desktop now. So over here, I have a bunch of thumbnails that I haven't thrown away yet. I probably should throw them away, but they're kind of just taking space on my home screen right now. Okay, I'll show you some of my folders, I guess. So this folder is, I originally had to make this name project for school, and I had to make a collage of things I liked, so I saved a bunch of pictures, and then I just kept like adding pictures randomly to this. And sometimes I use them in like videos, like when I do like songs popular YouTuber use. I usually use photos from this album as like my background photos while the music is playing. So then this one, which is I don't know what that was. What is this? Oh yeah, so I'll show you the design. So basically I made a design. I haven't submitted it yet, but my school is having like a teacher design contest, so I decided to design one. Yes, I have a screenshot and doodles of it. So that is it. No one stopped me. I know it says a school name, but yeah, it's a little design I made. I tried to put like a bunch of little things like represent the school. I don't know. They probably won't choose mine, but whoever they choose, I think gets like $200 or something. I don't know. I guess I will show the other things that I have in here. So I have a bunch of Illustrator files, because a lot of times when I'm bored, I color on Illustrator. I'll show the screenshot so I don't have to actually open up Illustrator and like wait for that to open. Here's one I made. Here's one I made. This was the first attempt, and that was the second attempt is like the better one, the one with like the yellow and stuff. Yeah, that's the updated attempts. Okay, so this one is a project I did, and this one was actually such a rush because I thought that this project was due the week after it was actually due. So I didn't do it, but you had to do an Illustrator quote, and luckily I had like a bunch of Illustrator files that I had made, so I like quickly typed the quote on it and I like submitted in like 2 minutes. Yeah, it was a rush, but it's my favorite quote. It's, "She changed your cans into cans and your dreams into plans." This is my end plate that I use in all of my videos at the very end. I have that saved on my desktop because it's like easy for me to just like take it and like drag to my videos. That's why I have it on my home screen. It's like easy to drag. Oh, so this is the thumbnail I used. A lot of people got really pissed about this thumbnail that I like clickbaited it. I don't know. It wasn't that big of a deal. But anyways, this is the original photo, and then the one that I edited to make my hair look blue. Basically, if you were following my Snapchat, and this happened even like a month ago, so even people who were following my Snapchat wouldn't have got it. I basically made this thing that was like, guess what hair color? I like showed that I was about to dye my hair and I was like, guess what color it's gonna be? And I like drew in with a Snapchat pin like blue hair, and like a bunch of people fell for it. So I was gonna do this to like trick people, but then I didn't edit it for like 2 months, so I don't think anyone got it. Yeah, okay, so this is something I made in Photoshop. It's like a bunch of little triangles and I shaped it into a seahorse. This took me so long to do. I feel like this took me like a month of like when I was bored just filling it in. This is a picture I took. Since I was looking at the viewfinder where I was taking the photo, it looked like 17 to me, but it actually ended up looking like 71. So I had to like flip it to post it on my Instagram so people didn't think I was stupid, and then it would say 17. So yeah, the picture looks a little bit weird on my Instagram because it's flipped, but oh well. Okay, so the thing that says sketchy, so this is a weird folder. So basically sometimes I like draw things and then I scan them into my laptop. So that's why it says like sketchy, is because they're sketches. Get it? I also have this one which says heart. These are things that I saved from We Heart It. Honestly, I could just have them in my other folder. I don't know why I have a separate folder for these. Okay, so these little things right here, why are these so big? Oh my god. Anyways, there's this computer game that's like, this is sand, and you just like click on sand colors and you put them on, and I just saved a bunch of the stuff I made on there. I don't know. I don't know why I did that. I don't know why I was playing the game. I think sometimes I just get bored and I just like procrastinate doing things that are like actually oh, also I never mentioned this. So my case that I have on my laptop, I actually decorated myself. I have a video of me decorating it. Basically what I did is I got a clear laptop case and I got some construction paper and some stickers, and I decorated it, and then I like slid it inside, and then my apple thing that I cut out didn't match up exactly with the apple actual thing, so I took an apple sticker and I put it over it so it's less noticeable that it's off. Oh dang, that stopped my screen recording. Okay, I'm gonna make a new one. Okay, so other things I have one that says cereal because I had to make a project a while ago, not a while ago, it was like last week, that was about making a cereal box. My cereal box ended up really bad, so I don't even think I'm gonna show it. It looked terrible. So yeah, I have these two things, which are some things that I made. I had to make little animals for one of my classes. Okay, so I have some essays. This one's for history. I'm sorry if you have OCD because my desktop probably bothers you a ton. This one is another history essay. He assigns a lot of essays. I also have a physics essay. There it is. It's for Marie Curie. And what else do I have? I have this. So I made this like weird thing of like frozen chicken I wanted to buy. Also, I don't know why I did that. I never even bought the chicken, but now it's on my screen. I don't know. I saved it to desktop. I save like everything to desktop because I forget about it if it's not on there. I'll go to iCloud. Okay, so you can see right here, I'm not gonna download it because I don't feel like it, but it is a little, if you see that right there, Best Friends Animal Society. That was an English presentation I made for last semester, and she graded it really bad because she said that my voice was like hard to understand. So she took off like a ton of points for that, but it was fine. I still ended up with a B in our class. It was fine. This is my Christmas intro. Oh dang it, I thought it would be. Oops, I'm in my iCloud. I don't know why I thought that I could see it because I have to download it. Oops. Well, now we can see it anyways because I accidentally pressed download. This is what I used in my Christmas video for my intro. Alright, that's it. What else do I have in here? Oh, I have this thing of beach. So I took these photos on the beach, and this is actually really embarrassing and kind of weird, but I brought, I think, like 5 swimsuits to the beach one day, and I took just like a stockpile of Instagram photos. That's where my profile picture is from. I'll show you it. Oh, this is what it could have been, but this is what it is. It is with a bunch of like VSCO filters, like way oversaturated version of this picture. Let's see what else I have. I think either this one or this one's on my, I don't think I posted those. I think I was planning to, but I never did. I think it's this one. No, I don't think I posted that one either. I had plenty of good Instagram photos that I never posted. I have that one on my Instagram. Okay, well, I literally did all that for like 2 pictures on my Instagram. Okay, wow. Oh yeah, I can go through this because I see you probably see this. So I have a little thing that says coloring book. So basically I had this idea of making a coloring book and making it into an Amazon book. It probably will never come out, but I made like a good amount of pages. Are any of them not? Okay, this one's not on iCloud. Oh, but I'm still gonna open Illustrator. I'm trying to like save time, but it's like, I don't know, why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? I should just open a bunch while I was opening anyways. I'll just like open all of them. Why is Illustrator not opening? Okay, it's opening now. So this is a card I made. I'll show you the other things. We've got a rose. We've got some cactuses. There's some lips. Yeah, so basically maybe one day I will do that and make a coloring book on an Amazon book. Probably not. It probably won't come out ever. Oh Lord Jesus. Ooh, we also have this. So this was my old business cards I made, and actually I was going to go to this event. I think it was in like 10th grade, maybe younger than that, I don't know. I think it was in 10th grade, where I like made all of these business cards. I made like 300 to go to this event because I was going to like this movie event where you like went to the movie theater and you like paid one price and you got to go all day, and I was gonna and it was far away from my home, so I was like, you know, I'm just gonna hand them out to people because I won't see them again because this is like an hour away from my home. And then I fell asleep. Like I slept the whole day. Like I fell asleep I think in like the second movie I watched, and then I just didn't wake up, so I only ended up watching one movie basically. So it's cool. Okay. Oh yeah, I used to have Premiere Pro. I know you guys are like, wait, if you have Adobe Cloud, why do you edit on iMovie? Because people have asked me that before. I just feel like Adobe Premiere takes literally 30 times longer to edit than iMovie. Like iMovie is just so simple. It's like so easy to just edit, and Premiere Pro is like so complicated and it takes so long and it takes so long to upload. And yeah, so I just edit in iMovie. Oh, I could show you what's on my iMovie. Da da da. Why won't it open? Why won't it open? Oh, because it's already open. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Okay, so these are some things that I'm editing right now. So we have this one, which is a spring clean my room with me. This one is a vlog. This one's a vlog, but I think I posted that one already. This one is a 17th birthday haul. This one is the thing, I already posted this. It was songs Elle Mill uses. This one is, I filmed this in like January. I filmed this whenever New York Fashion Week, like the day after I was like reviewing New York Fashion Week, and like I never edited it. I edited like half of it and then I just like never finished. I might finish eventually. These are some other ones that I never finished. This is from literally September. I thought that the video idea was so good, but then I looked at it and I just didn't really like it, but I didn't think it was bad enough to completely delete, but I just didn't really want to upload it. Yeah, it's trying Freely's diet for a day. I feel so bad. Her diet was like 40 bananas though for like lunch. Like it was crazy. Let's see what else I got. I'll open my Illustrator and show you my files. Those are up. This is an ugly Illustrator drawing I made of space. This is an ugly Illustrator drawing I made that I never finished of an elephant. I don't know. These are all like the fails. Like all the fails are on here. The rest are saved to iCloud. Well, okay, so I think that this is all worth showing you on my iMac. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should subscribe, like, comment, follow me on Twitter and Instagram, add me on Snapchat because I had every single person back. Also, if you enjoyed this, please subscribe to my channel because we're trying to make it to 20,000 subscribers by the end of 2018. So that'd be really cool if you would subscribe. Okay, so goodbye. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you what is on my MacBook Air. I have, I think, the 2015 Hey guys! What black stuff on my face? I think I might have got it before 2016. I don't know. And I'm gonna slide over so you can see the screen recording. Okay. Okay, so on my home screen, desktop thing, the only app that I have on it